How small businesses benefit from data-driven marketing. Ads are everywhere. Ads are annoying, but they also bring in revenue for companies like Google and Facebook. Companies spend billions of dollars each year on advertising, and the trend shows no signs of slowing down. Advertisers use data-driven marketing strategies to reach their target audiences with personalized messages that enhance their customer experience. Marketing firms that exceed their revenue targets apply personalization methods 83% of the time. Businesses that use data-driven personalized marketing recorded between 5 and 8 times the ROI on their marketing budgets. What is data-driven marketing? Data-driven marketing is a term used to describe a marketing strategy that relies on collecting and analyzing data about consumers, markets, and industries to create a plan for reaching them. Technology has ushered in the age of personalized marketing. Personalization is a crucial component of digital marketing. Personalization allows marketers to target specific audiences with messages that are relevant to them. A digital marketing agency named Statista has outlined the steps required to implement an effective personalized marketing campaign. Identify the demographics, such as age, gender, and income, of the campaign's target audience. Use data analytics tools like Google Analytics to gain insight into your campaign's target audience and create personalized experiences for those customers who visit your site. Customer Value Analytics is designed to help companies identify which customers are most valuable and least helpful. The historical value measures a customer's historical value over time and compares it with the historical importance of other customers for the same period. A current value analysis compares recent activity with past values to determine the impact of different marketing campaigns, latest offers, and price changes. Omni-channel marketing strategies. Marketing messages should be consistent across all channels. A company's marketing strategy should be aligned with its overall brand identity. Increase the visibility of the channels where customers are most likely to be found. Make sure that the message is consistent across channels. Personalization enhances engagement and brand awareness. It increases customer satisfaction and retention. Measure the impact of your marketing activities across channels, then continuously optimize your processes and messages to improve your results. There are several ways to improve customer engagement. Marketing departments need to integrate all the data they get from various sources. The Customer Engagement Tech Formula allows marketers to assess available technologies in 3 categories. Decision engineering is an approach to marketing analytics that starts with the customer and works backward to identify what products and services will help them achieve their goals. Advanced analytics is a term used to describe the application of advanced analytical techniques to solve problems. These techniques are often applied to customer data to help companies understand their customers better. Chatbots are an example of innovative technology. They are a conversational interface that allows users to interact with a system using natural language. Deliver the predictable, profitable outcomes that your business demands. While many businesses demand predictable and profitable outcomes, few achieve them. This is because they don't have a clear plan or strategy. Fortunately, there are steps that companies can take to improve their chances of success. By creating a clear plan and strategy and implementing it consistently, companies can increase their chances of delivering the predictable, profitable outcomes they demand. Predictable results equals simple plus systematic plus consistent. To achieve predictable and profitable results, your strategy needs to be simple, systematic, and consistent. A simple process is easy to understand and implement. When it comes to marketing and lead generation, many companies attempt to run multiple campaigns at once, which is a complicated strategy. Instead of generating leads, they end up confusing their audience, diminishing their brand. The bottom line is this: if your company's strategy is complicated and inconsistent, customers and prospects won't know what to expect from you. Creating a marketing strategy based on data. A marketing strategy is only as good as the data it's based on. Therefore, it's always important to collect data about your target audience, your competition, and your marketing efforts. But how do you go about creating a marketing strategy based on data? First, you need to understand what data is available to you and how you can collect it. Then, you need to develop hypotheses about what marketing strategies will be most effective. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to using data to create a marketing strategy that works. A marketing strategy is only as good as the data it's based on. Therefore, it's essential always to collect data about your target audience, your competition, and your marketing efforts. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to using data to create a marketing strategy that works. Step 1. Identify what data you have and can collect. You have more data about your business and the markets you serve than you realize. Some prominent places to start are customer service records, demo or trial requests, social media comments and reviews, blog posts and comments. Step 2. Define hypotheses that the data drive. For example, let's say you've collected customer service records that indicate how customers use your product. It might look something like this. For example, if your trial request rate is high, people are interested in learning more about your product. This is where you can apply data-driven marketing by using marketing automation tools to nurture leads until their chance of purchase is higher than their chance to opt out, or even zero. Step 3. Address the underlying reasons why customers aren't engaged. Sometimes customers aren't buying, or buying little, because underlying reasons prevent them from success. These latent dissatisfiers, water in the gas tank, keep customers from purchasing more from you or even buying from you regularly. You can also use data to optimize various aspects of your business, such as shipping costs or website speed. Step 4. Use marketing automation to get results faster. Marketing automation allows you to automate all steps of your marketing campaigns without having to do repetitive tasks manually. This results in a faster time to market for new products. A great place to start automating your marketing is email marketing. Most businesses send out hundreds of emails per day. The email content is king. The best email copy gets straight to the point and delivers value immediately. When people receive your email, they need to know precisely what you want them to do next, and then quickly do so. The biggest mistake companies make when it comes to email marketing is thinking that they can just create generic messages and blast them out to everyone. Regarding timing, email marketing works best when it's scheduled around when people are already expecting something from you. This report shows that social media marketing has become increasingly popular among small businesses. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Google+ allow users to connect with friends and family, build relationships and grow online communities through blogs, forums, and groups. You should always strive to keep your content fresh and engaging, but sometimes less is more. Remember to research and test several types of content, images, videos, infographics, links, etc. There's a good reason most marketers don't think about building lists. It's incredibly challenging and takes much work. Marketers who use a lead list tend to struggle with keeping leads coming in and moving those leads through various stages. Ppc advertising is a method of advertising on search engines like Google and Bing. Ppc ads also exist on social media platforms like StumbleUpon and Pinterest, but they're not currently available for Facebook advertisers. With the ability to reach millions of readers at any given moment, thanks to digital magazines, bloggers, and even podcasts, everyone now has the chance to be heard, which opens the door for more brands and companies to voracious readers. When it comes to video marketing, we know that content is vital. You must have an abundance of great articles and blog posts written first, and these should all be optimized and used as guide articles. Content is king. It always has been, and it always will be. Creating insightful, engaging, and unique content should be at the heart of any online business. How do I prepare my company for a data-driven approach? First, you need a system to collect and store your marketing and sales data. This can be done through an internal server or a cloud provider, such as Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. It is also necessary to define KPIs. This will ensure that the organization focuses on the right things. Data-driven marketing strategies. Data-driven marketing is a strategy that relies on information gathered from various sources to inform marketing decisions. Data can come from internal sources like customer databases, social media, and CRM systems, or external sources like public records, online reviews, and search engine results. Personalize the customer experience. The best way to get people's attention is by tailoring your content and online interactions based on their demographics, purchase history, and other information about them, like what they're searching for on Google. Coordinate marketing across channels. Identity resolution is a method for marketing to customers across multiple channels. It helps companies understand what customers like about their products and services and then target them accordingly. Marketing evolution describes a three-step approach to automating an omni-channel marketing campaign. Identify the data sources, which could include TV, radio, mobile apps, social media, paid ads, influencer campaigns, print, video, podcast, and other media. Data quality management is a critical aspect of any marketing strategy. Marketers cannot make informed decisions about their campaigns and customers without good data quality. Data checks and validation are essential to ensure the accuracy and reliability of data. Use predictive analytics to create an ideal customer profile. Predicting customer behavior is an integral part of any business. Predictive analytics helps businesses identify what actions will result in the best outcomes. Data quality is critical for any analytical system. Data should be timely, relevant, and accurate. The expertise and experience of the team members must be converted to a form that the machine learning algorithm can use. Use big data to track marketing ROI. Big data is a term that describes massive amounts of information that can be collected, stored, processed, and analyzed. Big data is often referred to as data that is too large or complex to be handled by existing tools. TechGenius describes 5 ways data science is used to improve the ROI of marketing efforts. Data silos are an organizational problem that prevents organizations from fully utilizing all available data. Streaming analytics helps marketers understand what is happening in real time. This allows them to react quickly to changes in the market and adjust their strategies accordingly. Visualization tools help you understand your data and communicate the results more accessible for non-mathematicians to grasp. They can help you discuss the results of the analysis with other people. Experimenting with different marketing strategies is an integral part of growing your business. You can test out other ideas and see what works best for you. Base marketing decisions on previous customer data by using data analytics tools to assign values to unknown, forecast the potential of obstacles, and determine the most effective ways to avoid and mitigate risk. Transfer offline data to online environments via data onboarding. Data onboarding is the process of connecting offline data to an online platform. This means that you need to transfer your offline data to the online platform, and you also need to ensure that the data is anonymized before it is transmitted. What tools do marketers use to analyze big data? Among the most common tools and techniques, marketers collect data relevant to marketing activities and convert it into actionable marketing intelligence. Optimizely. Optimize.ly is a tool that helps you test your website, mobile app, or connected device. You can run experiments to see if your users like different versions of your site or app. Key benefits and features include: it has an easy-to-use interface that makes it easy for data-driven decisions to be made. It seamlessly integrates with analytics platforms, tagging tools, content management systems, third-party data sources, and more. It has an audience targeting option for exporting data, previewing campaigns, scheduling campaigns, using its stats engine, and using behavioral targeting. Google Analytics, Google's Page Speed Insights, Google Search Console. Google Analytics allows companies to track user behavior across multiple channels, including web, mobile apps, social media, and search. It also provides insights into what users are doing on your site, allowing you to see how visitors interact with your website and whether there are any problems with your code. Google Search Console helps you to understand your website's search traffic. You can submit your URL to get an overview of how well your site performs in Google searches. https://snkT.io/62bc947229C0E4098A5DF5. Conclusion. In conclusion, small businesses benefit from data-driven marketing in several ways. Firstly, data-driven marketing allows small businesses to target their marketing efforts more effectively, thereby increasing the chances of conversion. Secondly, data-driven marketing provides small businesses with insights into customer behavior, which is used to improve the customer experience. Finally, data-driven marketing allows small businesses to track the results of their marketing campaigns to optimize their efforts and get the most out of their budget.